Hi, welcome to Walton Vale Community Shop. I'm Helen, and today I'd like to talk to you about family food cooking. Stay tuned and I'll bring you a recipe. Today's recipe is tomato and sausage pasta. The ingredients are 1 packet of sausages, 2 peppers, 1 onion, 1 carton of passata and 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs. We start by chopping the sausages into bite-sized pieces. Chop the onion. Chop the peppers. I prefer to keep the veg small in this recipe, but if you like it chunkier, leave them slightly bigger. Fry the sausages in a saucepan until they're cooked. It'll probably take about 5 to 10 minutes. The great thing about these sausages is they turn out a little bit like meatballs. Once the sausages are cooked, place in a bowl. And add the onion to the empty pan and the peppers. And gently fry for about 5 minutes. Once the veg is softened, put the sausages back in the pan along with the passata and the herbs. Give it a good mix and leave to simmer for about 10 minutes. You could also add garlic and salt and pepper. You could also add a tin of beans just to make it a little bit thicker. Some people would add a little bit of sugar or apple juice just to sweeten up a little bit and serve with pasta.